The very first thing you're going to want to do is unbox the replacement air filter for the Blueair 311 Auto. You want to take the plastic wrap off and remove the styrofoam padding. Go ahead and turn off the Blueair 311 Auto and make sure to unplug it from the wall. Go ahead and clean the pre-filter with either a vacuum or by running it through a clothes washer. Rotate counterclockwise. Take off the pre-filter. Throw it through the clothes washer if you want to. I went over it with a vacuum cleaner. Take off the old filter. Vacuum the plastic with a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment. Place the replacement filter back onto the frame. And put the pre-filter back on. You want to make sure the channel is kind of like perpendicular to the ground instead of diagonal like this. And to make sure that the pre-filter is covering everything. Place the plastic ring back on top. You also want to make sure that the Velcro channel lines up with the cable. The cable is on the motor part of the air purifier. Plug it back in. And you'll see that the light is still red. Hold down the button. And that actually resets the filter. So just to take a look, these lights are no longer red after resetting them. All you do is hold down the button for like 3 to 5 seconds.